To create an assessment in Edify, first you will need to select the course from your teacher dashboard. Select the lesson you wish to add an assessment to. Scroll down to the bottom of the Edit Lesson page, where you will see either the Regenerate Assessment button or a Generate Assessment button in this assessment information bar. If there is a Generate Assessment button, you will need to generate a new assessment as one is not currently attached to the lesson. Selecting either Generate Assessment or Regenerate Assessment will bring you to the Lesson Assessment page. Here you can change the name of the assessment, you can change the description of the assessment, you can change the due date, you can add tags, you can change the time limit, the number of allowed retries, as well as a number of other items that are listed. To add or change assessment items, scroll to the bottom. If you wish to view assessment items that are already associated, you can click here to show details. This will show the questions so that you can see if you want them there. If you don't, click remove. To add new items, you can either search the assessment item library by selecting a question type and selecting a subject. Then you can read the assessment items by clicking to show details or see the standards associated. If you have items in your own briefcase that you have created, click the My Briefcase tab, select the item types, select the subject, and click Search. This will bring up the items in your briefcase that fit those criteria. Once you have found the items you wish to select, click the Add button. This will add the assessment item to the bottom of the list. The final step is to make sure that the number of assessment items matches the number in the item count box. If these two numbers don't match, you will get an error when you save your assessment. Once you have created the assessment, click Save Assessment. This will add the assessment to the end of a lesson. Once you have finished and saved, you will see the assessment added to the bottom of the lesson. To add pre-tests and post-tests to units, expand the unit. If you wish to create a pre-test, select Create Benchmark Assessment. If you wish to create a post-test, click Create Summative Assessment. Once on this page, follow the same steps as before. Enter the name, description, due date, tags, time limits, any of the other options you see listed, and add the assessment items. Once you have finished, click Save Assessment. On your student course page, you will see the pre-test or post-test added to the bottom of the page.